Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so this recipe is a little bit different. Today, instead of making chicken and waffles, I'm going to be making chicken and pancakes. Come on with me, guys. Now, because my son is not too crazy about waffles, we're just going to go ahead and do them with pancakes, and it's going to come out amazing. Now, this video today is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, this is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle. My main channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I also have with me Debbie Bubbles and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, when you're coming home tired and you are very close to dinner time, you don't want anything to take too long, this is probably a really good recipe. Now, as you can see here, I am following the instructions on the box. I did purchase this at Walmart. It is the Great Value brand. And all you need to do is add water to this, and then we're going to be making some pancakes. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, what I did purchase from Walmart is their frozen chicken tenders, and they're already breaded, and they taste so amazing. So I'm going to take some out of the bag, and then those are going to go in the air fryer. So this meal truly is quick and easy. Now, I did wind up putting in the last of the blueberries that I had, so these pancakes are going to have some honey because we love honey, and they are going to have that leftover of the blueberries because we don't waste anything here in this house. And then we're going to start flipping some pancakes, guys. Now, these pans were supposed to be non-stick, but I guess because of all the scrubbing, they're not. I always use the cooking spray. Sometimes I will throw in a pat of butter. It's just totally up to you. I'm just going to be using the cooking spray. I don't know, maybe I will add some butter. But for right now, the cooking spray. Now, this is just what I do. I use the measuring cups, the right cup for the right size. So I believe it's the quarter cup, and that my pancakes always wind up coming exactly, perfect to the right size of each other. And that's what I do. That's what you saw me using there. I think it's the quarter cup. Now, by the time the chicken strips finish cooking in the air fryer, I would have all of these pancakes already done. Because once they get to a certain temperature, the pan, you can pretty much move at a nice pace. Now I already separated the pancakes because those are already done. Put a pat of butter, make sure we have our syrup, guys, and we're just waiting on the chicken. So I'm taking out the chicken tenders out of the air fryer, and oh my goodness, this looks so amazing. I don't have a waffle maker, but my kids don't like waffle makers, and I mean the waffles anyway, and I don't really care for them too much. Look how delicious this looks. This makes a perfect dinner, and we were so happy with it. It's so delicious. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.